So when we're talking about the numbers, now obviously I can't teach you all the way to sign the national deficit tonight, but if you sign up to take a class or you take lessons, then of course you'll be able to learn all the numbers. But for tonight, I want to make sure that you know and that you understand numbers. So this first sign for number, you're going to take what we call the flattened O and twist it. So this is number, and we're going to do 0 through 10, okay? So for number 0, you're just going to put up your 0, okay? Very easy. For numbers 1 through 5, there are 2 ways that you can hold your hand. The first way, if you're just counting numbers, 1, 2, 3, notice the 3, okay, 4, 5. Your palm orientation faces into your body if you're simply just counting. If I'm identifying something like my phone number, my social security number, the dosage of a medicine, something that is like an ID, then your palm orientation is going to be out for those numbers. So it's in if I'm simply just counting 3, 4, 5. If I'm telling you my phone number, then I would want to have it out like 5, 2, 3, whatever it is. I don't want to rotate or have them backwards for an identification number. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. For number 6, you're going to have your thumb touch your pinky. Okay, this also looks like the letter W, and it is. Okay, so W and 6 share the same hand shape. When you're learning what the hand shapes in ASL are, you will learn that if a letter and a number share the same hand shape, then we consider the letter the hand shape and not the number, okay? I'll say that again. If you have a number and a letter that share the same hand shape, the letter is considered to be the hand shape and not the number, okay? So this is the letter W, but it's the number 6, okay? So, and it's the hand shape W. So I know that can get a little confusing, but just wanted to mention that to you. All right, so we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, you're simply taking your thumb to your pinky and connecting them. Then I just want you to count right down your hand. 6, 7, 8, 9. Thumbs up. We're back to that first hand shape I ever taught you, which is the A hand shape, and shake it. Okay? So to count to 10, you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you know those first 10 numbers and you practice them and you get really good at them, I don't care what number you have to sign to somebody that's deaf or hard of hearing or communicates using ASL, they will be able to understand you. If you can simply learn those first 11 numbers, so you have 0 through 10, which is 11 numbers. If you can learn those first numbers, you're going to be able to tell people your phone number. You can tell them your address. If you can combine your number of your address with finger spelling the name of your road, you could tell your Uber driver how to get home. So learning the alphabet and the numbers are the 2 most important things. And I mean, obviously learning 11 through, 100, all those are really important. But if you learn those first 11, you'll be able to struggle your way through how much something costs, how much something weighs, how much dosage of a medicine. If you were on 115 milligrams of something and you didn't know the sign for 115, no big deal. Can you do 115 and make sure that you can at least save somebody's life or something? So those are the real essential numbers that you learn right off the bat.